Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I am Jaswinder Singh, a third officer currently sailing on gas carriers and founder of GS Fleet, which is an initiative started by me to train and guide young deck cadets to become future deck officers. And in today's video, guys, I'll be talking about how I cleared my second mates exams in the very first attempt. So, guys, firstly, I'll be telling you about the institutes from which I did my advanced courses. So, out of the 7 advanced courses, I did 6 advanced courses from Lucknow itself. I belong to Lucknow, so I did it from CMET Lucknow. And except for the GMDSS course, all those courses I attempted in Lucknow, and it was easy also because they don't have any specific exam. But the GMDSS is a course as well as an exam. So for that you need to go to some good institute in Delhi or in Kolkata or Mumbai and give your GMDSS course or exam from there only. Okay, so I went to CCOM institute, which is in Kolkata, and I cleared my GMDSS exam from there. Okay, and after that I went to MMD Kandla and for giving my orals. And for that, before that, we were around 11 batchmates. We were preparing together. We took a PG in Kandla and we stayed together in that PG. 2-3 people were sharing each room. Okay, and then we started our rigorous preparation for 2-3 months for the orals. Okay, and that during those period of time we did a lot of group discussions. So each MMD has its own WhatsApp group in which usually the people who are giving their exams, right, they are putting their question sets. Then what we used to do, we used to collect together in one room, take out their question set, read all the questions and discuss all the answers. And that way we prepared all the functions in the minimum period of time. Okay, this was very good advice or very good thing that we did during our time. Like group discussions really helped most of us. Okay, so now I would like to tell you about my examination day, what happened when I went at the MMD for my examination. So uh, out of 11 candidates, we were 4 candidates who had the orals on the very same day. So we went there at the MMD where we saw around 10 or 12 more candidates sitting there in the waiting room. We also sat there. Then first of all, one of my batchmates only was called for the oral. He went inside and the other batchmate, he was sitting just outside the main examination hall. Okay, so these two guys, they went for it. Then in the examination hall, during that period of time, the online examination had started taking place. So the external examiner was taking the exam on a laptop and the internal examiner was sitting and doing the invigilation. He was watching you. Okay, then what happened, the external examiner who had come on that day for taking our examination, he was a teaching faculty from our institute only, from TMI only, from Tolani Maritime Institute. So we as cadets, we got excited. Okay, somebody has come from our college. And how we got to know about that? Because when our oral was going on, like the first candidate oral was going on, the principal, the internal examiner, he came to the waiting room and he asked, okay, who all are from TMI? So we raised our hand. We were 2 cadets there and one was waiting outside. Then we identified ourselves. So that time we got an idea that maybe there is an external examiner from our college only, but we were not 100% sure about that. Then after a few minutes, we saw the guy who was waiting outside the room, our batchmate. He also walked down to the waiting room, and then we asked him. He said he doesn't know who's the external examiner. Then when the first guy came out, he told us, okay, so and so person from our college has come to take the external exam. He's the external examiner and he has come to take the examination. And then we were notified that okay, for the Tolani candidates, your orals will be conducted by some other external examiner, and that too at the end. So we kept on waiting. I got headache also on that day, severe headache, but somehow, okay, we went on. We were positive. Okay, whatever will happen, we'll see. Okay, we were in the beginning of the day, we were a little bit disheartened and sad that okay, we got an opportunity to give orals to one of our faculty members of our institute only, but we couldn't go on and give our orals. But then surprisingly, my name was called out and I went to the main examination hall and I sat down on the chair and I saw that same captain from my college. We shared smile And then the internal examiner who was sitting there, he asked my name. I told him so and so. He asked my institute. I told him TMI. He said, okay, you can go and wait in the waiting room. That time I felt like, okay, man, I just missed a golden opportunity, because I was sitting just in front of him. If our oral would have started, then definitely maybe we could have continued on our oral. But that time I felt really bad. Then I went back to the waiting room. It was almost lunchtime by then. Then after waiting for 3-4 hours, finally my turn came in the evening around 4:30 or 5. That time an external examiner came and he started taking our exam one by one. So mine was taken at the last, and luckily we all three passed, and we all passed in all the functions. Like it's called as PPP, pass. We passed in function 1, 2, 3 together. All three candidates passed in 3 functions, which is a big achievement, I would say. Everybody had worked so hard for this day, and one of us had literally had tears of joys in his eyes. मतलब उसको थोड़ा सा रोना भी आ गया था when he was giving his orals, and survey was telling, okay, you did a fantastic job and I am passing you in all the orals. Okay, so that is actually a very big achievement, I would say, in your life. You will also feel that achievement or proud feeling when you will clear your exam and you will get your COC license, right? So that was a very good experience for me. When I was coming out of the MMD, like, we were very happy. It was like, okay, done with the cadetship thing. Now we can go ahead and sail as third officers. So this feeling is majestic, guys. When you become when you clear your exams, it's a wonderful feeling, guys. आप लोग को अभी relate नहीं होगा, but when you clear it, you will then realize कितनी awesome feeling होती है, guys.
Just now you saw that a young third officer Jaswinder Singh has written this fabulous book, a great initiative taken for the maritime industry, and I just hope that Babaji Kripa that he writes the other 2 books soon. And I'm just waiting that many more young people join and make sure that we give the right knowledge to the maritime fraternity. At one end, in the last 3 years, Merchant Navy Decoded has helped a lot of marine engineers and GP rating people with a lot of online content, which is helping them today earn respect on ship, whether related to how to read electrical circuit diagram, how to read manual diagrams, how does automation work. A lot of videos made on ship. Definitely, we lagged with the DECODED packages, but now we have worked on that. So we have come along with packages on ROR. We have come along with packages on specifically made for candidates who are about to join their first ship as a deck cadet, and many more. Why don't you just go to the link given in the description box and the pinned comment and see for yourself what all packages are available and how are they beneficial to you. Let's make a strong maritime community which is out there to earn respect on ship and make Indian maritime fraternity proud. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.